Good afternoon, dear students. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? The last class, what are the topic discussed? Yes, keyboard. Different key already studied. What are they? Yes, numeric key, alphabetic key, function key, and special key. The last class we discussed about alphabetic key, numeric key, function key. Today we will discuss about special key. There are many other keys on the keyboard. These keys are commonly known as special key. Examples: enter key, space bar, backspace, caps lock, and delete key are some examples. These keys are used to perform some special task. We can detailedly discuss about these keys. Are you ready? First one, enter key. Did you see enter key in the keyboard? Here you can see this is enter key. This is enter key. Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. What is the purpose of enter key? Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. It is also used for open a file or program. Did you understand about this enter key? Enter key is the master key on the keyboard. Okay. Next we will discuss about space bar. Did you see the space bar in the keyboard? You can see this large button is called space bar. The longest button or longest key on the keyboard is space bar. Okay, already studied. This is enter key, then this is space bar. So space bar is used to put a space between two words. What is the purpose of space bar? Space bar is used to put a space between two words. We can press space bar once for a single space. We already said it is the longest key on the keyboard. Space bar is the longest key on the keyboard. Okay. Next key is caps lock key. Caps lock key. Keyboard containing caps lock key. Here I have, this is the caps lock key. This is the caps lock key. Caps lock key is used to get capital letters. On pressing, it is a small light glows on the keyboard. Okay, so caps lock key is used to get capital letter. We can press caps lock key, that time we can see a small light on the keyboard. That light indicates the text shown in the capital letters. Then to get small letters, we press again caps lock key. That time is we can get small letter. Time is light off on the keyboard. Did you understand about caps lock key? Next one is delete key. It is the eraser key on the keyboard. It is the eraser key in the keyboard. It is used to remove the mistake you type. When we pressing delete key, it removes letters from right side of the cursor. We can also use delete key is used to delete a file or folder. One more I say, delete key is the eraser key in the keyboard. It is used to remove the mistake you type. When you pressing delete key, it removes letters from right side of the cursor. It also used for delete a file or folder. The next one, backspace key. Backspace key is also remove such mistakes. We can also press backspace key. It remove the letters from left side of the cursor. It always moves backward. Here this is the keyboard, then this is the keyboard, this is the delete key, then this is the backspace key. Okay, did you understand about this? Next one is shift key. Here how we can see the shift key. This is shift key and also this is shift key. Two shift keys are there. This is shift key, this is shift key. Some keys have two symbols. The upper symbols of key is called upper character and the lower symbol is called lower character. So shift key is used to type upper characters of a key. Shift key is used to type upper characters of key. Here how many symbols are there? This and symbol we can get using shift plus and key. Then we get and key on the screen. Dear students, these are the special keys. So today we studied about special keys. Different special keys are studied: enter key, delete key, backspace key, shift key, space bar. So today wind up our class. Be study very well. Thank you. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum.